What's up, everybody? It's Rich again. Today I wanted to show you a quick video on changing the blades on a lawn tractor. It's a pretty standard process. I think it's about the same for each different model. I have an MTD yard machine 638 RL. It's the 38-inch deck. So I wanted to show you how quick you can do this. I have a torque wrench there. I have the blades that fit this particular lawn tractor, 9420610. I want to show you a couple of things, couple of tricks. First of all, I have it jacked up by the front, and I have jack stands underneath it. Then you want to raise up the deck as high as it can go. That'll give you the clearance you need. You can see these blades are really shot. It's definitely overdue. I already sprayed the nut with some penetrating oil. The blade nut is 15/16, as you could see there. I wanted to point out the shape of the center hole in the blades. These blades that I got are not star-shaped. The original OEM blades are star-shaped in the center. These aftermarket blades apparently have a different shape, but it works for the star shape. It still fits and works properly. It's just they needed a way to get around the patent protection. I want to show you this quick, pretty brilliant method I saw on Fix It Flip, I think was the guy's name. He used this C-clamp with a piece of 2x4 on the deck that will hold the blade in place so that you can loosen it or tighten it. See, I'm loosening it here and the blade is on that side of the C-clamp. When it's time to tighten it, you just turn the blade so that it's resting against the other side of the C-clamp. It's pretty smart, pretty ingenious. So I'm not taking credit for it, but I'm going to use it. I wanted to point it out to you guys as well. All right, so just like that, new blade on that side's done. We go to the other side, do the same thing, try and rig up the 2x4 and the C-clamp on the other side of the deck somehow so that it stops the blade from spinning. So even if your blades are worn down, it still could work. You can make it work. So these are the new blades. That was the change of the blades. I hope this helped you. Hope to see you on the next one.